Here we are, another gardening with Vincenzo, and we're out in the yard and we're documenting this strange weather, and it makes me want to start thinking, the weather outside is frightening, but my dear, it's so lightning, and we've got no place to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Very strange weather. Very strange. It was just snowing like crazy out here. Zone 6A, Middlesex Township, Valencia, PA. Just do a fast pan here. Show the snow. Nice sky. Chilly, chilly willy. Birds are out saying, hey, what's going on? We started building our nests, laying the eggs. I was watching the robins. Found a few eggs that have already been pilfered. Yep, you can hear the cardinals in the background. Snow let up a little bit here. Strange times. All right, stay safe out there. Stay healthy. Stay connected. Check on your neighbors. Give mom and dad a call. Make sure the kids are okay. I don't know, have we entered the age of the longhouse again? Where we're going to have 2 and 3 generations living under one roof? Could be. Are we going to have an influx and surge in the home gardening? I would think so. All right, be safe out there.